Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove multiple or duplicate apps on the iPhone using a few simple methods. Now let's get started. To begin, if you want to quickly remove apps from your home screen, you can use this easy method. Tap and hold anywhere on the home screen until all the apps start to jiggle. Once the icons are shaking, tap the minus icon that appears on each app you want to delete. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the app to remove it from your iPhone. Another way to remove apps, especially useful for saving storage space, is through the settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down. Tap on General, then choose iPhone Storage from the list. You'll see a list of all apps installed on your device. Tap on the one you want to delete. Next, tap Delete App, then confirm to remove it completely. Repeat the same steps for any other apps you no longer need. If you don't want to delete the apps but just want to hide them from your screen, try this method. Tap and hold on the home screen until the apps begin to jiggle again. Then, tap the dots indicator at the bottom of your screen to view all home pages. Uncheck the pages that contain the apps you want to hide from view. Finally, tap Done to save your changes and exit the edit mode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.